Sellers, what to expect with days on market? As a seller getting ready to list your home, you have probably heard the phrase days on market. The real estate industry uses this term to describe the number of days a property will be listed on the market before it goes under contract with a buyer. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker and a realtor in the Bay Area. So, let us break down days on market and what you can expect as a seller. If your property sells quickly with short days on market, it suggests that your home is in high demand. This could mean multiple offers, potential bidding wars, and a greater chance of selling at or above the asking price. On the other hand, if the property remains on the market for a longer period of time, this might indicate that buyers have reservations regarding your property. This could be based on many factors such as condition, marketing, and of course the price of the property. If your property begins to have longer days on market than the average sale in your area, it is always best to sit down with your agent and discuss your next strategy. This may mean making a price adjustment based on the activity of the market. But let us remember, making a price adjustment is only one factor. It is important to have a complete understanding of the market, evaluate buyer feedback, and make any necessary adjustment to increase your property's appeal. With the right marketing and pricing strategy, this will enhance your property's desirability and the likelihood of a successful sale. If you are a homeowner thinking of listing your property, please reach out to my team and me to go over all the latest housing data to put you in the best position to sell. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker and the realtor, serving buyers and sellers in the Bay Area with integrity and excellence. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.